This is a semi-D home full of character in the heart of Mimosa Walk, just off Yio Chu Kang Road. In fact, this entire stretch consists only of semi-D houses and close off to a large cul-de-sac, leaving plenty of room for your guests to park. Hi everyone, this is Diana from the Property Runway, and today I'm at Mimosa Walk, which consists of an entire street of semi-Ds. So what we adore is also how wide the roads are, enabling all the neighbours here to enjoy an easy commute in and out. The roads here lead straight towards Yio Chu Kang Road, connecting you easily to CTE and TPE within minutes. Now let's check out the house. With a land size of 3,650 square feet, this entire 2.5-story semi-D is brimming with potential. It has about 4,500 square feet built-in space, and also it can be built up to 3.5 stories high since this is a 3-story landed zone. The gardens here are massive, so you can actually have a jacuzzi or even a pool just like this.
But this is currently on rental and will be removed.
The side gardens are also quite far away from the boundary walls, so you have plenty of space for a spare room or even a larger alfresco dining area. Come, let's head in. Now, this entire house was given a facelift in 2009, creating this modern Balinese style. This huge living room flows towards the dining area, followed by the massive open concept kitchen, providing a great interaction of spaces to socialize in. Now heading towards the side, we also have a spare room, a laundry area, and also a full bathroom. The backyard also boasts a wet kitchen for all your zi char needs. And with such a huge space, you can actually bring out your laundry area here so that you can convert the internal space into a helper's room. Come, let's head up to the second level. On level 2, we have 2 ensuite bedrooms. The first large bedroom is host to a king-size bed, plenty of wardrobes, and your very own balcony to enjoy the sunny days in Singapore. Now let's not forget your very own ensuite bathroom. As for the next room, it provides a peaceful view of the front of the house and comes with its own built-in study, as well as a smaller balcony. The bathroom here is also a great size, and it lets in plenty of sunlight. Speaking of windows, we have a lot of tiny little windows like this all around the house, creating a very airy and bright space. Now we have reached the top floor, where you have 2 bedrooms. Here, you have a bedroom with your own ensuite bathroom. And we even have a door leading to the study. Now this is the pinnacle of the house with a corner pitch roof, giving this entire room a lot of depth and a sense of space. Now some neighbours in this stretch has removed the walls between the rooms, recreating this entire space into a massive bedroom. And of course, at the pinnacle, we have the best views of the house. Peaceful, quiet, and full of character. Like to make this Mimosa Haven your very own? Call the Property Runway today for your exclusive viewing. See you soon!